Welcome back, collectors and crafters. Today I'm going to be showing you some crafts you can make with popsicle sticks, like this craft, this craft, this craft, and these crafts. I highly recommend grabbing a large box of craft sticks from your local Walmart, Target, or craft store. You'll also need some quart paint sticks, which you can find at any 3 of those stores or a home improvement store.
Safety first! Adult supervision required when crafting.
Let's start with this super fun popsicle stick picture frame. You'll need a total of 16 craft sticks for this craft, 12 for your base, and 4 for your frame. So first you're going to grab some paint or washable markers. I'm using a multi-surface acrylic paint, and I highly recommend getting some of these little paint containers. They're great for storing the paint that you need for a project for a short amount of time. First, I paint the 4 sticks for the frame white. Then I take those 16 base sticks and paint them all bright, colorful colors. Then I line them up in a row and make sure they are straight. And now I glue 2 of the frame sticks to the top and bottom of the base. I'm using hot glue, but you can also use tacky glue or Elmer's glue. It just depends on how long you're willing to wait for the glue to dry. Now I'll take my leftover frame sticks and glue them on top and across the other 2 frame sticks. So our frame should look something like this. Next, we'll grab some tacky glue or Elmer's glue and some colorful foam beads, and we'll start covering our frame in a thick layer of glue, being careful not to get any on the base of the frame. Then we are going to completely cover our frame in foam beads. Set it aside and let it dry. Once it's dry, it will look like this. So fun and colorful. Now for that final touch, you're just gonna need to grab a strand of leftover yarn, and you'll go ahead and glue that to the back of your picture frame. And now you have an awesome, colorful hanging picture frame that you should be able to slide a photo right into. This would be a great craft to do for Pride Month. Next, I'll show you how to make this super pretty pencil holder. First, you'll need a tin can. I am using an old Progresso soup can. Then you'll need a varying amount of craft sticks depending on the size of can you used. Mine required 29 craft sticks. And your first step will be to paint all of those craft sticks white. Then you'll want to take a rubber band or an elastic hair tie, in my case, and secure your craft sticks around your can. Then you'll start gluing the craft sticks to the can on the tops and the bottoms. And let me just say, I am very sorry for the state of my glue gun. This glue gun was actually my mom's in the 80s, so it has seen some things. Okay, there we go. I cleaned it up about as much as I could. So once the glue is dry, you can go ahead and remove your elastic or rubber band and start painting some blades of grass using some green acrylic paint. I do this by making fast, swift strokes up towards the top of my can. And of course, it does not have to be perfect. You could put anything on here that you want. Then I grab some light purple and light pink paint and add some dots of flowers all over. Then I grab some slightly darker green paint and just start adding some finishing touches. And last, you are going to grab some string, twine, or ribbon. I'm using some hay string, and wrap it around your can a few times. Then tie it in a nice little bow. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. This makes such a lovely gift for moms with summer birthdays. You could also make this craft for Easter or Mother's Day. Our third craft is this fun and colorful rainbow cloud magnet. You'll need a total of 7 sticks for this craft, which you will paint in rainbow colors. I always go for the Lisa Frank rainbow: pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Then you'll need 2 thin sheets of white craft foam. I'm out of white, so I'm going to paint these blue ones. Start by drawing a large cloud on your craft foam. Cut it out. Trace it onto your other piece of craft foam and cut that one out as well. Then you'll need some magnet sheets that you can get from any craft store. Trace your cloud onto one of the magnet sheets, cut it out, and glue one of your foam clouds to the opposite side of the magnet. Now I paint my top cloud white, but if you're using white craft foam, you won't need to do this. Now I'll glue all of my craft sticks to the magnetic cloud in a diagonal pattern. Then I go ahead and glue the other cloud over the top. And there you have it! Another fun craft you can make for Pride Month that you can hang on your fridge. And for our last stick craft, we are going to make some fun and sparkly fairy wands. For this craft, we'll need those quart paint sticks. You'll also need some paint in whatever colors you want, and some more craft foam, also in whatever colors you want, some glitter, and some tinseled pipe cleaners. So first we'll give our paint sticks a base coat of whatever color you go for. Then we'll start creating some diagonal stripes in another color. Then I grab some Mod Podge, but you can also use regular glue, and create some more diagonal stripes, which you'll pour some glitter on. Then you'll draw a nice big star to make a pattern that you'll trace onto both pieces of your craft foam, cut out, and glue to one end of your stick. Then you'll paint some glue onto both sides of your star and douse both sides with glitter. Once dry, just shake all that excess glitter off. Then grab some pipe cleaners and cut them into thirds. Then take 4 of those thirds pieces of pipe cleaner and twist them together in the middle to create a little pipe cleaner star. Then go ahead and glue it to the star on the end of your wand. And that's it! Now you have some super pretty and fun fairy wands to play with. Or you could use them with your Halloween costume this year. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this craft video. If you end up making any of these crafts yourself, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Collect and Craft. I would love to see what you create with this video. Also, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. And I will see you guys in the next video.